Me, I collect spiritually by going back to my hometown. I come from a small town called Mulki, where Durga Ma's temple is the most powerful temple, and we live in the same area. I've got the house of spirits. If you've seen Kantara, the house of spirits in our very own home. We pray to the Nag Puja. So when we go for our pujas, we've got a home that is an ancestral home that has around 3 bedrooms. And when we go for our pujas, around 45-50 of us go. All of us stay home. All the brothers line up with gaddas lined up, and we're all sleeping on the gaddas. That is spirituality. That is grounding. That is me spending time with my people. And like I said, Durga Ma's temple was built by a Muslim family. So so when you talk about unity and diversity, when you talk about religion and culture, that's the background we come from. That's how I've seen it. Even today, when Durga Ma comes out first, she first goes to their home. They do the pujas. From there she proceeds, she goes for a bath, she's bathed by every community that is there. Christians, the fisher folks, Hindus, Muslims, all go together taking Ma's Rath. She's bathed, she comes back, she comes to our home where her final and only puja is done, then she goes back home. So that is the connect. And you get the vibe,